Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege on console. To begin your journey, you will first need to understand the game's core objectives, which involve either attacking or defending specific points on the map. Take some time to learn the fundamental controls for movement, aiming, and utilizing your unique operator abilities. Completing the in-game tutorials and situation missions is a fantastic way to grasp the basic mechanics and get comfortable with the game's flow before diving into competitive matches. Rainbow Six Siege features a vast selection of over 60 unique operators, each equipped with a distinct gadget and playstyle. Attackers focus on breaching fortifications, gathering crucial intelligence, and ultimately planting the diffuser or securing the objective. Conversely, defenders work to fortify the objective sites, deny enemy entry, and prevent the attackers from achieving their mission. Choosing operators that complement your team's composition and the specific map you are playing on is key to success. Mastering your operator's unique gadgets is crucial for gaining an advantage or countering enemy strategies. Equally important is developing extensive map knowledge, understanding common entry points, and identifying destructible surfaces for both offensive and defensive plays. On attack, effective drone usage allows you to scout ahead and pinpoint enemy locations. As a defender, strategically reinforcing walls and deploying your gadgets can significantly bolster your objective's defenses, making it much harder for the opposing team to breach. Effective communication is the cornerstone of success in Rainbow Six Siege. Actively use callouts to inform your teammates about enemy positions, gadget placements, and any crucial information you gather. Before each round, take a moment to develop a cohesive team strategy, discussing entry points or defensive setups. Be prepared to adapt your tactics on the fly, responding to enemy movements and the evolving game state. Working together to execute coordinated pushes or maintain strong defensive lines will significantly increase your chances of victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.